apprehensive, feeling anxious, worried, or fearful that something bad or unpleasant will happen in the future. She felt apprehensive before her final exam. I was apprehensive about speaking in front of a large audience. Bummed, feeling sad, disappointed, or upset, usually about something that didn't go as expected. I was really bummed when my trip got cancelled. She felt bummed after missing the concert. Bustling, full of activity, busy, lively, or crowded. The market was bustling with people and noise. She walked through a bustling street filled with shops. Drained, extremely tired, exhausted, or worn out, physically, mentally, or emotionally. I felt drained after working all day. She was completely drained after the long journey. Excruciating, extremely painful, intense, or difficult to endure, physically or emotionally. He felt excruciating pain after the injury. Waiting for the results was excruciating. Exultant, feeling very happy and proud, especially because of a success or victory. She felt exultant after winning the competition. He was exultant when he achieved his goal. Glum, feeling sad, gloomy, or unhappy, usually in a quiet way. He looked glum after hearing the bad news. She felt glum when her plans didn't work out. Gutted, Feeling extremely disappointed, sad, or upset, especially when something doesn't go the way you hoped. I was gutted when I didn't get the job I really wanted. She felt gutted after losing the final match. Indignant. Feeling or showing anger because something is unfair, wrong, or unworthy. She felt indignant when she was blamed for something she didn't do. He became indignant at the unfair treatment. Paranoid. Feeling very worried or suspicious that something bad will happen, or people are trying to harm, cheat, or trick you, even if it's not true. He became paranoid that someone was following him. She felt paranoid after hearing strange noises at night. Petrified. Extremely scared or frightened, often so much that you cannot move or react. I was petrified when I saw the snake in front of me. She felt petrified during the horror movie. Pumped. Very excited, full of energy, or enthusiastic about something. I'm pumped for the concert tonight. She felt pumped before the big game. Spooked. Feeling suddenly scared or frightened, often by something unexpected. I got spooked when I heard a loud noise in the dark. She was spooked by the strange shadow in the hallway. Sullen. Someone who is quiet, unhappy, and shows their bad mood by being gloomy, sulky, or refusing to talk or smile. He gave a sullen look and refused to speak. She sat in a sullen mood after the argument. Unfazed. not worried or surprised or not affected by something bad or unexpected that has happened. She remained unfazed despite the loud noise around her. He was unfazed by the criticism and kept working hard.